Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the goal. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So
hey y'all, it's your girl here, Janae, and I am back with another video. So today's video I am going to be doing a heatless blowout on my natural hair using the Qredew. So I am going to start off on, I wouldn't say it's old hair, but it was a flat twist out that I've done. So I just decided to go ahead and show you guys how I do my afro. So I am going to be using the Eden Bodyworks Hydration Custard, and I am going to be using a dime size or quarter size amount, and I'm going to apply that in each section of my hair. And so when I apply this, it does add moisture to my hair, and when you do an afro, you want to have a lot of moisture in your hair. So first you want to open up this piece right here, and then also this is going to be where you put the water in. So what you do is you use distilled water only because if you use tap water, it can add particles in your device and it can clog it up, which can cause it to not work anymore. So it's recommended to use distilled water. So once you put the water in there and fill it up, you just put it back in its place, and then you wait for it to stop blinking. So it's gonna be blinking for a little bit, and then it'll eventually stop blinking. Once it stops blinking, that means it works, and then you just press the button, and when you see steam come out, that's when you proceed with working in your hair. So there are 6 benefits of steaming your hair: for breakage, porosity, growth, dandruff, hang, and also easy flat ironing. So you can pause this video if you want just to see more of it. So it is better to detangle your hair in smaller sections, so that's why you want to make sure that your hair is sectioned. So I am using my Tangle teezer, and I'm just going to comb any tangles out of my hair. After I'm done with that section, I am going to twist it up, so that way it will be less tangles again, and also it'll just get this piece out of my way. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with twisting my hair. So this is one side twisted, so now it's time to work on my other side. So I just did the same steps, and here you see me steaming my hair. I love using this Qredew because it does melt your tangles away. I used to detangle my hair in different ways before I actually use the Qredew. Now it's my go-to when I detangle my hair, and also when I get like a blown out look anyway. So this is a great alternative for doing a blowout. So I am using the Twist and Curl by the Curl Express oil. So I am applying this on my hairline, on my edges, and I'm just going to be rubbing it in, massaging it. Alright, so the next step is to unravel all of my twists. Again, I am going to be using my Tangle teezer just to take any curl pattern out of my hair after these twists, and also to give it more of a stretch. So this is what you see me doing here in each section. Alright, so the last thing to do after you detangle your hair, take all your twists out, is to take that lovely pick and start picking it away. Now, picking is the fun part for me because it's, I don't know, it's fun. Just by looking at it, it looks fun, but then it's also challenging now, only because you have to make sure that you get the perfect shape that you want. In afros, you want a lot of volume, so I'm gonna just be picking away at the top, and then you have to mold it with your hands. So using your hands and your pick is like the key to getting a great afro. Another key factor with doing an afro, you want to pick at your roots and then pull away. Pull away in the direction that you want your afro to fall, and do not pull your ends of your afro because then it wouldn't look right. So you're just doing that, and then you're just shaping it up with your hands. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys love this look. If you have any questions or comments on this look, please do so. Comment in my comment box, and I hope you guys enjoy. God bless.